Hey there, and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. This video, we're going to assemble the GMC truck World War II era. So I've already assembled this one with a covered version because everything that this kit has going on, the flatbed and the open bed one, it's the same as the covered. The cover is actually more simple. So if you purchase the covered, watch this video, and then again, here is the fully assembled version of this. This is actually not a kit. You can actually purchase this as fully assembled. So we'll just set those both to the side. And now let's assemble this kit. So it comes with these parts. First of all, what you want to do is glue this piece together like that. That's the most straightforward, easy part of this model. So, just gonna put a little bit of glue here and there. And then, just take and put this hood on. There you go, done. So let's let that dry. Here's this piece. Let's use the clippers and free up these pieces from that. There you go. Alrighty then. So what's next? We gotta slowly get this figured out. It's always good to methodically, slowly figure it out. And that's why I brought this stuff too. It's kind of a reference. So this can be helpful, like this. You can see. Just glue that together, that, and you see how this all lines up. So let's go ahead and apply some glue. Get this piece glued down. There you go. So carefully get this piece in the correct position. You can know if it's in the correct position by looking at this back thing and then looking at the front, making sure everything is lining up, and then I'm gently pressing it down to make sure it's glued into place. Alright, so that's done. So now let's glue on this front hood. Not front hood. The front hood is glued on the grill. Let's glue on the grill piece. So this grill piece is fairly easy to figure out where that goes. There you go. The grill piece is glued on. Nice and easy. Very good. So it's coming together, this model. Now why don't we go ahead and let's put some glue here and glue here, and glue there. And then take this piece, get it like that. That's good for that. Now let's do the other side. Whoops. All right. There you go. Now it's all glued there. So the cab is gluing into place. While that glue is drying and such, let's go ahead and free up some of this stuff. These things for the wheels, axles, shocks, whatever. And let's take this and make sure that that's all cut nicely. Those two all stay together. Then cut these wheels. Cut the sprues off the wheels. Alright, so up next, this is the more tricky thing to do for this model. I'm here with Loctite glue, but I highly suggest a Loctite glue. I think black instead of blue in it. I think there's different ranges. There's green Loctite glue that is really easy. This blue one's like a medium. And then I highly suggest the black one that's super strong, or some other modeling glue that's high bond, quick bonding. But anyways, I don't have that on hand currently. Need to get that. So just put a bunch of glue there. Take this piece and make sure all of that lines up well, like that. Once that's in a good position, just make sure it's in a good position. Once that's in a good position, I'm going to go ahead and pause this video here. I'll come back to you, and I'm going to let this actually dry into place really well before I continue the assembly. Something like this. Just let it dry. So we'll be back. All right, so here we are, back after a while, and this is glued into place. Now you'll see here, we should glue this piece like this, as you can see, based on that. So just simply take some glue and put along the edge there. Now this end piece goes all the way to the end. There you go. Just like that. And then of course, once that's glued into place, you can put this piece there. Let's just make sure this is all trimmed and not going to cause any issues with the gluing together. All right. So you can see how that will go. So let's go ahead and get that glued in. So I'll just get some glue along the edge here. Here we go. And then, there you go. Got that glued there. So, let's go ahead and do the other side. Just put some glue along the edge there. There you go. And now, just have it line up with the other one. All right, that should be good. So this truck is coming together. Now this flatbed. What you want to do is have the end piece there line up with, the end piece there. So the flatbed will be going like that. To glue the flatbed down, pretty simple. Just some glue down like that. Wait, how should we get? All right, now put just like that, and now you got the flatbed glued down pretty well. Now I don't know if there was flatbed versions of this truck. Probably. If so, you could just keep it like that. But we got the covered version here. That would be a separate listing. But this one, you could put on the sides like we're going to do, or you could leave it flatbed. Many options. Next, put some glue like this, and then another one there. And then just take this piece and put it like this. Try to get it to line up like that. There you go. That's lined up pretty well. Let's do the other side. Okay. All right, that's glued in place. So look, those pieces are good. Very good. Now, what's next is let's go ahead and glue on these wheels. So I'm gonna put glue there. Then take this piece and just make it so the axle goes in the center of that wheel. First try. Oh, now I'll just go ahead and do the other side. Axle in the center. Comparing how that goes. Alright, pretty good. Now let's do the wheels in the back. See how that worked? Alright. Essentially, put the axle in the center of the wheel, and it should line up well if you do that. Other side. Grab this. And then you can just test to make sure all the tires are touching the surface of the table just fine. And there you have it. The flatbed. I guess, if there was flatbed versions of that, then you're done. But it should not be done, I guess. Now, you can glue all this stuff together. So with the fully assembled version, that's the way it looks like. But with the kit version, you have to glue it on. So just go ahead and get some glue. This. All right. Other side. I like pretty good. So now, just kind of referencing that. Well, let's get this here. There's some glue on the edges there. Oh, and then some glue there will hurt. There you go. Lastly, be nice to slide that into place. So just put like a dab of glue there. Dab of glue there. There you go. Try to get that in place. Well, there you go. There's this Dodge truck available at miniaturetanks.com. Now, this is the default version of this truck, the open bed. The kit, this is the covered version. This is a fully assembled one. I'll be offering fully assembled end kits. Now this is to put along there. I'm not going to cover how to do that in this video because it's pretty self-explanatory, but these go on the top here. You just take your clippers, cut them away, and then you can glue these on the top. Officially, this will just come with this one, so it's optional if you wish to use that or not. MiniatureTanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.